Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start a new series of videos, a new playlist. It will be very interesting to you. In last videos we walked through or we went through the table of content of this repository, but we skipped this one, this subsection called Folio examples inside usage section. This one is talking about running Okapi by yourself. We will do it for you in this series of videos, inshallah. The first example is run Okapi from your IDE with one module from your IDE. Essentially, the first example will be testing running Okapi with a module without automation, without this script we implemented for a long time. We will firstly, our first example will be without any automation to feel it, how it looks like if you want to run Okapi on your local machine without any automation whatsoever. Okay. Okay, we will start with Okapi. I have my IntelliJ IDE here, and I cloned Okapi in my machine, and I checked out to this tag V530, this version, and I have my own configuration. We can take a look. My configuration are the options to the Okapi, which includes database configuration. We will have a look. We will go deep here, but before we go there, we have our main class. This is our main class. As we know, Okapi runs have been built with Vertex framework. So we have a launcher and we have a vertical, main launcher and main vertical. The main class will be the launcher, and this is a path. This package exists in our repository here if you want to see it, main launcher, and the same works for main vertical, org folio okapi.main vertical run. This is a command at the first, okay, and we have our configuration, and this is very important. So Okapi runs in dev mode. In dev mode, as we are working locally in our local machine, so the mode should be dev. Okay, and this is a stringify version. Okay, let us go there. And before we go there, my class path, I change it to Okapi core. I can do it here, or there is another option. I can do it also here, as you see. This is actually redundant. I assume you can do it here or here, but I did it in both, in the class path here and here as well. Okay. At the start, we have the mode which is equal div. I think this one is not very important, but I simply kept it here. We have our port, which is a default port, 9130. The port end will be 9199. The storage will be Postgres. Trace headers, if you want to add this feature, set it to true, else false. We have our Postgres configuration starting from okay. Yes, Postgres host, port, database, username, password. These for configuration, database configuration, and then enable system auth will be false, because we don't want to add mode auth token. We want to make it very simple. This observability option will be false as well. The cache will be very low, so we do not have cache problems. Our class path will be the Okapi core jar file. We start Okapi from there. Okay, and this is not very important. That's how we configured our Okapi locally in my own machine. You can do the same for yourself. Now we will start Okapi by in debug or in run, or in run mode, not in debug. We will do it like this because we will not debug anything. Okay, very good. We succeeded in deploying a vertical. Now we will go to our module. We chose mod users. If we go there, we have our mod users. I will not doing anything here. Sorry. I will just do everything from the postman, but we will do it in the next video. Thank you and see you in the next one.